In this video, I will cover the two different projects that you must complete for the Word 1 assignment. The first one begins with a blank Word document. I will begin by typing the necessary information into the document. I suggest that you pause this video so that you can type all the necessary information. Please take your time in typing the following information. After each one of these headings, to, from, date, and regarding, they should be capitalized, and also you're hitting your tab button here so that all of these elements align. The next steps in this project, I'm going to show you how we will be modifying the document. First, we need to go ahead and save. So go to File, and you can save anywhere on your computer that you would like. For this example, I will be saving to my desktop. So File and Save As. This will allow me to select the place where I want to save my document as well as the name I'm going to use. I'm navigating to my desktop, and I'm going to name this document WD1-Sea Turtle Memo. Next, we're going to make some changes in this section. This is going to change to marketing staff. This will be replaced with your name. And the regarding is also changing to launch of the new Sea Turtle Conservation Project. Next, we're going to make some edits in the body of the document. We're going to select Supervise and change it to Build. Next, we're going to select Nighttime Shores and change to Moonlit Beach. In the second paragraph, we're deleting the whole first sentence. Now to make some formatting changes. Select Reason to Go. Increase the font size to 22. And select Bold and Center. Next, apply bold to, from, date, and regarding. Each one of these will have to be completed individually, as there is no way to select just this tiny little element individually. Finally, we're going to insert a line between this section and the body. Place your cursor on the blank line between the two sections, and in your paragraph section, select Bottom Border. You have completed this project. Hit Save, and we will continue on with the next project for this section.